Okay, so I did my other video not too long ago about my tire repair kit over here that I got off of Amazon, and so one of the questions that was asked to me, sent to me, was could it do full-size truck tires too, because they actually make another set for those. This is just for like you know, light SUVs, light trucks and cars and stuff like that. So I happen to have a nail, as you can see, in my Dodge Ram's 20-inch full-size truck tires. So I'm going to go ahead and pop it out here and use the set, see if it fixes it. The ones that are like the specifically made truck tires, it's not a very big nail at all, are basically the same as this, they're just a little bit longer. Okay, I think that's pretty well roughed up, so I'll get the plug ready over here with the patch, and with the plug I mean. Okay, looks like it's in far enough. Straight out. There we go. So I'll go ahead and trim up those little pieces and check to see if it's holding air, which I don't hear any air, so I think it's holding pretty well. Use that little bit of that rubber cement along with the plug, and air it back up and put it back on the truck. So it looks like the rasp had no trouble getting through there, plenty of length, and the insertion tool didn't have any problems either, plenty of length, and we're able to get a good enough hole to go ahead and put in the plug. So no problems with these full-size trucks. I think this set is pretty well used for pretty much all you know, privately owned vehicles across the spectrum. I think that one set is more for like really heavy trucks, for that additional length for a much thicker tire. So no problem with these. So this was my video showing the use of this tire repair kit on a full-size truck tire. Thanks for watching.